Empowering a nation such as India, with its teeming masses, calls for development in every aspect of our lives. And energy sustains daily life. With over 1/5 of our population vulnerable to poverty, it is imperative to innovate and introduce energy-efficient technologies and adapt to them to alter the quality of our lives. One such innovation was the humble LED light, launched in 2015 to save energy. Such a clarion call of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, for ushering in clean energy transition has inspired public entities like Energy Efficiency Services Limited to create innovative technological interventions via its consumer-centric initiatives that generate savings both in terms of energy and finances. Their diverse product portfolio in affordable lighting include domestic LED lighting, street LED lighting, and solar study lamps for our hinterland. In an Indian family, food consumption and its preparation is often an activity that enriches our lives. Induction cooking gains relevance as it places us firmly on the trajectory of achieving 12 of our Sustainable Development Goals. EESL is introducing electric induction cook stoves and solar-based induction cook stoves at affordable prices. They are safer and better, generate energy and monetary saving, and are a time-efficient substitute to biomass and gas-based cooking. The Government of India is fast-tracking its efforts to explore pathways to accelerate the deployment of energy-efficient, clean and affordable e-cooking solutions. Under the leadership of the Ministry of Power and the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, initiatives are being taken up for promoting and adopting clean cooking solutions such as grid-connected cook stoves and solar-powered induction cook stoves.
Electric cooking, where the electricity comes from green energy, offers several benefits and positive impacts. It significantly reduces greenhouse emissions compared to the traditional cooking methods reliant on fossil fuels. It also improves our indoor air quality by eliminating open flame and reducing harmful pollutants. And it also reduces the drudgery associated with cooking, thereby impacting a large number of SDG goals. I commend all the participants for their dedication to building a cleaner and sustainable future. Together with EESL's contribution, we can shape a brighter tomorrow for the generations to come.
BPL households dependent on biomass fuels will be provided 1 kilowatt peak solar module. This solution would sufficiently meet the cooking needs of a 4 to 5 member family household. Considering annual consumption of 8 cylinders per household by switching from LPG PNG to clean cooking, the estimated annual forex savings on LPG import is 6.5 billion Indian rupees. And annual saving from availed subsidy is 1.6 billion Indian rupees, corresponding to the goal of installing 100,000 units. Additionally, when a family shifts from biomass or solid fuel cooking to solar-based induction cooking, they can prevent the emission of 6 tons of carbon dioxide in a year, which is equivalent to saving 186 trees. The e-cooking transition must put consumers at the heart of the strategy. The next crucial step is to encourage the widespread adoption of efficient and affordable products. EESL aims to empower each Indian household, contributing to this sustainable developmental trajectory by transforming itself into a pro-planet smart household.